episode of Reverse Trivia is brought to you by cookcups.com. That's cook with an E, cookcups.com.
Idiot. I'm going this way, buddy. You're a moron. You're an idiot, dude. What is wrong with you? Okay, look at this. We're going to find this license plate and we're going to put it on social media.
In the neighborhood, you don't even see it coming. So.
And for all those 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom potholes all around the neighborhood.
I'm looking at one. I'm telling you, it's got a nice little laundry room.
Oh,
all right, it's reverse trivia.
Let's get a good shot.
To answer them. Our panel: Josh, Bird, Mary,
This right here.
and then judging.
This right here. See that? You.
All right, here we go. Mark, welcome to News Radio 1110 KFAB Reverse Trivia. How you doing, sir?
Good, yourself?
We're great. Glad you called.
Good. Glad I can finally get in after a month of trying, so I hope you have your smarty pants on.
coming over are on.
I'm not wearing that.
Yeah, well, if you don't, here you go. This is history for you. This town village is the only one that was bombed in the United States during World War II.
Oh, that would be Dundee because a floating balloon bomb made it all the way to Dundee and blew up, and I don't think anybody was injured, but and thank goodness for that. By
Yeah,
the way.
we had the field trip across the street and we read the plaque together. That's cute.
Yeah, we did actually during the break, sir, because we knew you were on hold.
We love history.
Well, you could be right, but there's also another